Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show an easy method to deal with the following. Choose the drawing scale according to the available paper size. Dimension style input values in millimeter, but unit will be in inches. Scaling the drawing and print in layout. This is the sample drawing drawn in 1:1 ratio in inches. I choose A3 paper size to print the drawing, but I need to find out the suitable scale. So I am going to draw a rectangle to the A3 paper size in inches. Type SC for scale command, select one rectangle, enter random scale factor 100, but it seems very smaller than the planned drawing and will not fit to the rectangle. So delete it and choose another rectangle and scale it to 200. It is perfectly fit. So I choose 1:200 scale and we can create the dimension style according to the scale. Before we go further, I show you the fixed values in dimension style in a new drawing. You can see here it is in millimeter and decimal. Type D and open dimension style. Click on modify. Click on text. It will show the text height 2.5 millimeter. Because we set the drawing unit in millimeter, the standard number also showing in millimeter. For an example, you can notice any other values in the dimension style and will show in millimeter, but these numbers will not change when you open a new drawing in any unit. Now close the drawing. Now type D for dim style. Click on modify. Click on text. Here you can see the value did not change, but unit only changes to inches. That means 2.5 millimeter is showing as a 2.5 inch in this case. So I am going to set the dimension style to consider the 2.5 inches as 2.5 millimeter. Not only the text height, but all the values just enter the number equal to the millimeter and we forget about the inches. It will consider as millimeter. Okay, close this dialog and click on new. Enter dim style name as a 2.5 millimeter 1:200. Okay, I go to modify the text style. Click on modify, primary unit, change unit format into engineering and precision. I remove zero suppression. Okay. Now click on fit tab, select use overall scale of. Here is the value we are going to enter. I close it all and show you the calculation. See here, for 1:1 ratio, the text height of 2.5 millimeter in inches should be equal to 2.5 by 25.4 equal to 0.0984 inches. But the value showing on text height is 2.5 inch. So we can find out the increasing ratio by dividing the 2.5 into 0.0984. So we get a 25.4. For 1:1 ratio, the text height increased into 25.4 parts bigger. For 1:200 ratio, just divide 200 by 25.4 equal to 7.87401578. Use this full digit. For 1:1 ratio, divide 100 by 25.4 equal to 3.9370007874. Like that, you divide the scale with 25.4 for the constant and enter the values in full digit. Now go to Dim Style Manager. Select Dim Style, click on Modify, click on Fit and enter the value 7.87401578. I copy it from a calculator and paste it here. OK, set current and close it. Now for an example, I am going to enter some dimensions between the grids. I am going to modify text and arrow to fit inside the dimension line according to my requirement. Give 5 mm MOSFET inside. Now I create a text style for 2.0 mm. The value in number shows in inches in this dimension style is equal to millimeter. So if you want to change the dimension text height in 2 millimeter. Just I enter 2 in text height. Okay, I close it. For an example, I draw some dimension with 2.0 mm text height also. Now we go for plotting. Click on layout, right click and select page setup manager. Click on modify. Select DWG to PDF PC3. Select paper size into A3 landscape. Change unit into inches. Click on scale and select 1:1 and close it. Check for paper size for verification. I think it's okay. Now type MV, enter. Or you can go to the layout ribbon and select rectangle from a viewports drop down list. Now you can select the paper size diagonal corners for viewport. Now keep paper size with all corners visible. From this moment, don't scroll the mouse. Type MS and enter for model space to enter into viewport. Press escape key and type P for pan command. Now bring the printing area of the drawing to the center of the viewport. Press escape key and type Z for zoom command. Now type 1/200 XP or type 0.005 XP and enter now. Type P for pan command and bring the drawing into fit inside the paper boundary. Press escape and type PS for paper space. Now you can zoom. Now you can see the another way for zooming. Now press on model tab. Here 1:200 scale not in the list, so go to custom scale and add 1:200. Now click on layout tab and delete the existing port. Click on layout ribbon and select rectangle from the viewport drop down menu. Select diagonal corners. Type MS for model space. Pan and bring the subject to the center of the paper. Now in bottom row, click on the scale list drop down next to gear symbol and select the scale 1:200. In this position, without scrolling the mouse, press escape and type P or pan command and bring the drawing to the position. Press escape and type PS for paper space to come out from the viewport. Now you can zoom and verify the drawing whether it is a fit in the position or not. Now click on print or Control P. Preview and click on OK for print and save it into PDF. I set the scale PDF UR into 1:200. Now we check the measurement by scaling the PDF for verification. I try to check the text height both 2.5 mm and 2 mm. So I change the scale into mm without factor. It's perfect, 2.5 mm and 2 mm. Thank you for watching.